my name is Katerina. I'm with the African Circular Economy Network. Today we spoke about the JUST2CE project. The project is funded by the European Commission and falls under the Horizon2020 project. Today we've actually presented the results of the project that has been ongoing since a few years and will be closed off this year. We also had a look at the supply chain tool today, which is also freely available on our website. From the project, what became very clear is that the current circular economy paradigm isn't very just. We're completely ignoring the environmental justice angle, the gender, but also the labor aspect. At the moment, the circular economy is framed as that exponential growth is possible, and also that technology is kind of saving us, which is obviously not the case. We all need to decrease our growth as well, but in a developing world context, that's also quite a contentious topic. So we need to figure out how can we develop in a sustainable manner by taking the social dimension into consideration.